Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So I wanted to go over something here that I think almost all new Acura and Honda vehicles have now. Has to do with the gas door. I think most of them, I'm not sure exactly the exact years, but most of them on the gas door has the actuator where when you lock the car, it locks the gas door. And then when you unlock it, it unlocks, of course, then you just push in and push out to open the gas filler door. But there's been a lot of issues with this thing. Once a car gets a couple years old, a lot of the actuators actually go out. And so I hear a lot of people saying it makes a weird noise when they try to open it, and it won't open. No matter how much they try, the actuator gets stuck. So I kind of want to go over something really quick. It's a good tip, and it'll help prolong the life of the actuator here. So inside the gas door here, you'll see this mechanism. Okay, and this links to the door locks. So when you lock it and unlock it, this thing will allow it to be pressed in or out. And when you push it in, it does like a half turn when you push it all the way in there. So you see there, as you push in, it'll turn. So the thing I've noticed here, and I've never had an issue with mine, and I do this little method, and so far it's helped for years. It's never got stuck or anything. So what I like to do, it's very simple, and something people always forget about. You see how this mechanism, it goes down inside there, and behind it's where the actual actuator is. I just like to put some white lithium grease on this part here, because what happens is if you don't, it'll get really stiff, especially as the car ages. And then when the actuator goes to try to push this pin out to unlock it, is where it'll start binding, and that's what you'll get that noise from. It sounds like it wants to open, but it won't. So just like anything, it's good to keep this thing lubricated. So you see there, I spread it all the way over, and then just use your finger and push this back and forth, and it'll help it spread the white lithium grease all over this part. And by doing this, it'll allow the actuator to not work as hard. Because if that thing gets dry, like I said, it takes a lot more force to try to pop it open. So that's just something that I've seen, because I have this in my Accords, same thing, and I think all the newer cars actually have something like this. So it's good to keep it lubricated. That way you'll have less issues with it going forward. Just like anything else, it's the maintenance involved. They don't really tell you about that kind of stuff, but especially if you live somewhere where it's really hot and you never lubricate that part, it will dry out, and you're just having the actuator work harder. So it's something very simple to do. Like I said, do it maybe once every 6 months or as needed. Just check it out, see if it's dry. Mine was pretty dry, like I said, so it's been over a year. So it's just something nice to do to keep it working right. So if you didn't know about that, go ahead and put some grease on it, silicone, whatever you guys have laying around will do the job. And that way you'll prevent some issues going forward, especially if you plan on keeping your car for many years. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Again, hope everyone's having a great day. I appreciate it. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. That means a lot to me. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks again, everybody.